Hello everyone, today we are going to learn the difference between Ausfüllen, Auffüllen, Einfüllen and Abfüllen. Although these words look and sound very similar, but each of these words has a unique meaning. So let's go. First up, Ausfüllen. This is for when you are stuck in German bureaucracy. Think of it like filling out the blanks. Bitte füllen Sie dieses Formular aus. Please fill out this form. This is a very important word, especially when you come to Germany. You will find this word on top of a lot of forms, so now you know what it means. Next comes Auffüllen. This is used when we are talking about refilling or filling anything to the top. For example, filling a bottle, a glass or restocking your pantry. Mein Glas ist fast leer. Kannst du es bitte auffüllen? My glass is almost empty. Can you refill it, please? Next is Einfüllen. It is the physical act of pouring something into a container. It focuses on the direction. For example, ich fülle das Mehl in die Schüssel ein. Here the pouring is happening into something. Next is Abfüllen. It is about distribution, taking from a big source and bottling it into smaller ones. For example, filling wine bottles. But be careful, this is also a slang. So, for example, if you go to a party and get wasted, it is also called Abfüllen. Wir haben uns gestern gegenseitig richtig abgefühlt. We really got each other hammered or wasted yesterday. Wir waren am Wochenende total abgefühlt. We were totally wasted at the weekend. I hope this video helped you, and before you go, here is a small homework for you. Please fill out this exercise and drop your answers in the comments below. See you in the next video. Till then, tschüss!